Tingin. Bravo.
Kabayo. Hi. Upo.
Bye-bye.
Little girl. Okay, iwan natin ha. Okay, and of course, hello, good morning, Shikansayo. By the way, I'll be asking what is your name?
Nicole.
And where are you from? Okay, wow, all the way from Pasig. Okay, layo. Welcome ka dito, Nicole, sa pag-awarded. Okay, now all you have to do to make this first grade your pet still, present your right hand, just like this. Your right hand, just like that. And of course, promise me, any animals that are going to put in your hand, please, do not drop it. Are you ready? Okay, the summer squidward pet we have. Okay, wow, cool. Smile ka, tingin ka dun sa camera mo. Okay, the Australian flying squirrel, also known as a sugar glider. Now this one is for marsupials, for which length from 4 to 6 inches, and their tail is making half of its body. Okay guys, kids, sila po ay native ng Tasmania, Indonesia at Papua New Guinea. Now, Nicole, nakuha nilang kanilang pangalan na sugar glider kasi po, kumakain po siya ng mga matatamis na prutas. At alam niyo din ba, na siya po ay may katangian din mag-glide, na parang lumilipad doon sa mga pono. At mga bata, dahil sila po ay maliliit, pwede po natin siyang gawing, okay, pocket pets. So ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan natin yung break-it natin and of course sa kanyang, okay, sugar glider. Thank you very much, old girl, for being such a great sport.
Sa Ilocano po ng hello po.
Hello din.
Okay, hello po sa mga taga Ilocos Sur and I am DJ from Muntinlupa City. Ano po, wala po akong tablet.
Naman, hello sir, good morning. Okay, pangalan po sir.
DJ. At saka, taga Tunasan Muntinlupa City po. At saka excited po akong maghawak po ng isang animal po.
Ayan, dahil first time mo pumunta dito. Okay, pinapangako ko sa'yo, kakaiba yung hahawakan. Okay, so all you have to do, ang gagawin mo ay pusod ka. Yan. Nakayo ka lang dyan, sir, ha? Now, i-promise mo sa akin, kahit anong animals na ilalabas namin, please, huwag na huwag kang tatakbo pabalik doon sa iyong mga katropa. Ready na? Okay, moving on. Who we have? Oh my God, wow! Cool! Now guys, now this one is the 6th biggest snake in the world. And it can reach like from 13 to 33 feet long.
I call this Viper talaga.
No, sir, it's an albino form, it's python. Okay, the viper is so venomous snake in the world. Okay, now guys, now this one is an albino form, it's python. Now, being albino, they lack sufficient amount of melanin on their skin, producing the slight again pigment pollution. At sir, dahil sila po ay albino, tignan mo, oh, ang kanyang mga, oh my God, ay kulay pink o kaya pula. Sa Tagalog, sila po ay nag-araw. At sir, kahit dahil linalapit na yung ulo niya, bigyan mo daw siya ng napaka-sweet na halik. Oh, wow, what a sweet couple. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan natin si Sir, and of course, nag-albino for respect.
Maraming salamat po, kuya. Ano po yung sa Ilocano po? Diyos Kagnina. Diyos Kagnina sa inyo, taga Ilocos Sur.
Thank you. Wow, medyo malapit na dito sa bahay namin eh. Okay, welcome ka ma'am dito. Okay, all you have to do to make this next word your bed still, yumuko ka ng konti. Lay down a little bit, just like that. At yung maganda mong buhok ma'am, ilagay mo lang doon, dito sa left side. Kasi atong dito eh. Okay ma'am, huwag kang mag-alala, relax ka lang dyan. Okay, relax lang ma'am ha. Okay, because this time, I'll be introducing to you. Okay, ma'am, stand straight. Tayo ka naman. Mahulog na yata. Okay, the largest Cimitic family. I'm proud to say, guys, kids, now this is Hindi, our Palawan bear cat, also known as a Binturong. siya po ay lumalaki from massive 6 feet long from head to tail. Ma'am, tayo ka lang. Relax na lang ka tayo, ha? Yan. Now, they are not bears, but they got the same attribute like a bear. Kasi po, kapag siya po ay nasa baba, they can perfectly stand up, just like that, using their 2 hind feet. At alam nyo ba, guys, kids, na itong balat din nila, ma'am, ay ginagawa rin nila, Winnie Tonda. Yung pagkalam natin, buhaya, elepante, rhino, ostrich, at saka, elepante. Pero din, ginagamit din nila. And apart from the monkeys, they are the only animals who use their tail. Just like that. Okay, ginagamit po nila na parang panglimang paa po nila. At ma'am, dahil sila po ay pamilya ng mga musang or alamid, magkasing amoy po sila na umamikaw yata yung mabango kasi napakabango niya talaga, amoy popcorn at saka distinction of panda. So once again, may palapagandaan sila. Ma'am, tignan mo na siya, lalagay pa yun hanggang 6 feet. Palawan Berkat po. Endemic lang po dito, ma'am, sa Pilipinas yan. Mostly sa Palawan po siya makikita. Thank you very much, ma'am, for being such a great show. Wow, welcome to kami dito sa Palawan. Ma'am, akala ko Pasig. Okay, Pasay pala. Okay, sorry about that. Okay naman na all you have to do is still tayo ulit dyan. No, ma'am, huwag kang kabahan, ha? Relax lang tayo. Okay, moving on, we have. Wow! The California Kingsley. Now, ma'am, alam mo ba na siya po ay nanggaling pa sa California? Nakawagan mo siya. Okay, siya po ay lumalaki from 4 to 6 feet. And their attractive patterns makes them a very popular pet snake. Okay, mga bata, nakuha nilang kanilang pangalan na king snake kasi po, kayang-kaya po nilang kumain ng kapwa nila ahas. Kahit ito pa ay makamandag. Even yung rattlesnake, black mamba, and of course yung king cobra, kaya po nilang kainin. But on the contrary, naman huwag kang mag-alala kasi siya po ay non-venomous or poisonous creature. So once again, the California Kingsley. At okay, ginagaya po nito yung kulay na most venomous na sa buong mundo, yung seatbelter snake. Okay, thank you. At this time, the right hand should be higher than the left. Sir, ready na? Okay, the Sonic Squeaker Battery Hell! Wow! An iguana! Meron po tayong dalawang uri ng iguana sa buong mundo. Okay, the first one is the Galapagos Marine Iguana, also known as a swimming lizard. Pero itong hawak mo, bossing, ito po ay si Rose, ang aming green iguana, also known as a bamboo chicken. Sila po native ng Paraguay, Mexico, and Central America. Now, apart from being a delectable food source, alam niyo ba mga bata, ang iguana daw po ay pwede rin magkain. Masarap po ito. Lalo na yung lotong. Okay, that's right, correct. Adobo o kaya iguana rin, ha? Yun lang dito sa Pilipinas ang meron sa atin ay bayawak o kaya sa mga karamo-ramo kong Ilocano dyan, tinatawag natin silang panyas. Much more, sir. They say that iguanas are much like camels, but instead of humps, meron po siyang julap, sir. Yan yung julap niya. Ayan, nag-store siya ng mga fats para makaiwas po siya sa pagkagutom. At sila po ay herbivores, as in fruits, vegetables, and flower buds. So once again, the green iguana. Sige, bata naman yung kukuhanin ko. One great kid. Okay, sir? Thank you. All you have to do is still push on your right hand. Just like this. Mami, yes, iswala na siya. Dalawa na lang kayo ito. Ganyan, ha? Okay, ready na. Okay, moving on, we have. Oh, ano yan? Mami, hindi po yan toko. Dahil European scientific name suggests, no sir, guys, siya po ay reptile eater. Kumakain po ng mga putike at saka ahas. At kapag sila po ay nagadapol sa mga sanga katulad ng ganyan, and when those guys who rest in purchases like that, minsan po ay napagkakamalanan silang mga kwago kasi po, malalaki daw ang